This API isn't public, which is why I'm reading this Japanese blog entry, because so what happens when I try to scrape it normally. So let me see. Let me get another Chrome. So let's say I'm trying to scrape this. Actually, is this better or is Firefox better? So I'm looking at the network right now, and so I know for sure that the live chat replay looks something like this for the URL. I'm trying to and you kind of force it to give me something like that. So let me pause this and try to look around, see if it loads. Yeah, so it gave me a bunch of chat, so that means I got the API request somewhere. Yeah, right here. So basically, the steps that I'm taking right now are I just want to be able to make a bunch of requests and have like a list of chats. So like I have one for Rich. Let's see, where am I? So I have this where, let's see. So this function is this get chat. Right? So I'm looking like when I make requests for the bot ID and kind of the positioning part. Well, obviously it's when you first start it, you don't need anything. But after a while, when you get through the video, if you look at any Twitch podcast, the way that they get Twitch, chat here, I think it's good. Let me just go over here and. Alright, so I'll just go through his last broadcast, and then I'll just scrape try to scrape his chat. It's been a while since I did this, so maybe I would have to do it in a different way. But right now, see, I'm just going through it, and then it gives me a bunch of chat. So I don't need the videos in this whole project. So it didn't give me an XHR, which is sad. Wait, it's still in the wrong one. Okay, that's why. Alright, so I opened in the one for this one, and now I'm going to put it XHR, and alright, there we go. Okay, so yeah, see, we get comments, offset settings, and this is what we're looking for, right? So you see how this corresponds to this. So I'm trying to do something similar for YouTube app. I think my portal will be here right now like this. Yeah, so if you look over, yeah, look at the URLs. So it's API, HTTP, V5 videos, and then the ID, and then position part. Actually, I don't really need this. This one I can. Yeah. Anyways, that's how I get the Twitch ones, but I'm trying to do the YouTube ones. If you have any questions, I can try answering them, but let me know. Oh, music's too loud? Okay. Alright, how's that? Oh, you probably couldn't have heard anything I just said then, huh? Oh. so I'm actually just going to code, but if you have questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Do it to my best of my ability. Okay. So right now I'm looking at what this. I got the API call from sniffing what happens when they give me the replay, and so I just want to be able to use their what is it? Their continuation. That's what the where is it? That's what they said. Continuation. So I need you first be able to find like this is such a huge JSON that I don't want to sort through this by myself. So I'm trying to look through it. So whoops. What? What? Oh, maybe you guys can see this. Basically, so this, they gave me something, and I thought it's a JSON, but apparently it isn't. So I'm going to try to see what's going on. Oops. Okay. Probably need to put a header in. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Here we go. Okay, so the headers. These are agents. Okay, so what I'm doing here right now is basically it threw me an error saying my browser's too old. So I'm passing in a header that says, hey, I'm actually a browser. Please work for me. So let me make this a little cleaner. Okay. And then let's try, see if this works. Oops. Set object. Oh, whoops. Burp. User agents. I think that's it. Yeah. Let's try that. Didn't change. That's weird. Oh wait, what the heck? Oh, it actually did change. Okay. Okay, cool. So now we have the JSON, and now I can start poking around in here. Alright. So we know the JSON inside. Okay, so chat objects. The JSON response. Continuation content. Then continuations. Those different. Is it first one or second one? Okay, so it's 0. Wait. I feel like I went to the wrong one. Okay, there you go. It's actions. And make sure that's correct. Doesn't have action. Live chat continuation. Isn't that right? Wait, that means I'm doing something wrong. Response, continuation, contents, live chat, continuation. That's what I'm missing. Live chat. Okay, and then continuations. And then 0. Wait, no, I don't need continuations. Just go directly to actions. Alright, yeah, got it. So now we can check how long this is. So there's 100, so that usually means it's correct, I guess. I think they would default to 100. Let's see. Alright, so I know what that is. Wait a second. Player offset? What happens if I... Yeah, it's player offsets. I don't know what that is. Oh man. This one I just got. Offset. Okay, I don't know how they get the player offset. 16 to 4, 2. So man. Alright. Let's see. 2344. And then what was the other one? Oh, I can see it right there. Oh, it probably is something like an epoch from the start in milliseconds. Check that. 2344. Yeah. Okay. So what I really so how I'm going to do this is it's actually the same URL over and over again, but they don't give you something. They don't give you the next what's it called? The next URL to go to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the chat objects. I'm going to store their chat and their user, and then for the very last one, I'll have to convert that into from milliseconds to time. So got the first one. Oh, what the heck? Wait, really? The actions. Oh, I guess it is like that. You could check that one. Yeah, alright, so I'll just set it to this last one. Okay. So timestamp. Right, chat messages. Okay, that's good enough. Action 0 action. Okay. 0 action. Play chat item. Action. First one. Add chat. Cheese. Add chat. And then okay, I'm just going to assume that that's okay. Username is going to author name. Check to see if this works. Run. I'm gonna. So I'm trying to make something that. So you see how this is a live stream, and there's a bunch of chat. I want to scrape all of that. So the idea is I want to start expanding to YouTube, not only Twitch, just for kicks. And so I can just put on, you know how like my videos have chat on the, let's see, what's it called? On the top right, usually. So I have something to do that scrapes the chat for Twitch, and so I have that. Now I'm trying to do it for YouTube. Not sure if that makes sense. Maybe, hopefully it does. Anyways, video ops. Try to do action. Wait. Ugh. Video offset time unset. Did something wrong. Oh, there's no. It's in actions. It's not in that. Okay, so I've got that properly. Cast it as an int and divide by 1000 because I want it to be in milliseconds. Or I want it to be in. I want it to be in seconds, not milliseconds. Probably surround this with a try catch just to see if it's actually prints.
Create lazy people I'm not impressed with. You want something in light, then why don't you go and get it? Actions speak louder than words do. It's pretty quiet, isn't it? Look at the world we live in, defined by comment sections. Surround yourself with people that challenge how you think, not people that nod their head and act like they agree. Those people that cut you open just to watch you bleed. Always be yourself, not the person that you pretend to be. No, these people gon' tell you that you will never make it.
Probably try putting this at 0. I need to put this higher. Alright, I'm gonna put this needs to go at the end. Okay. Hopefully that works. I'm gonna save this parameter and so info to the right. So yeah, that's what I scraped. So what this object is, so this is the request I made. Here it is. This is the request I made, and the JSON is huge because it has a bunch of like, look, it's like 6,000 lines. I don't want to parse that, so I'm gonna have to put it into Python anyways. I just made a request in here, and then I got the JSON from the request, and now I'm looking through it. So far, I found out, or I think I found out how to. Find each of the chats inside it. We'll see. So right now, I need to make sure that this works with. It's called the space URL. Then offsets equals. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep making this request over and over again with changing player offset. So let's do a while true, even though I hate while true. And so the URL will be base URL plus offset prime. So it'll just merge these two. Then after I loop through each of the chat objects, I need to update offset prime. So offset prime let's see, offset param equals, you know, look for the last chat object. Last chat object. You know, I need the timestamp in milliseconds. So chat objects, last one. Replay action, and then see if that works. Okay, yeah. So it gave me a timestamp. What's Prague School? But typically I code because I enjoy coding. But I want to expand my clips to YouTube as well, because sometimes people stream on YouTube, and I want to do something like you can, like a service that can automatically put on chat after you actually finished recording. So some streamers, they have the chat on the screen, but I've made stuff that does it for Twitch already. I'm just trying to do the same thing for YouTube. This bot or which bot? Oh, hey Unicorn Horn. I always see your comments. Good to see you. Yeah, I'm gonna get chat comments from YouTube. I mean, this isn't necessary yet, but let's do. What's DVR? Okay, never mind. Let me go back to this, and I'm gonna restart this. And okay, so it's kind of slow, but I guess I'll probably should check what's in the front so we can verify. Actually, I have no idea what I have no idea which video this is. I scraped this a while ago. Man, I feel like I put the delay on this stream like pretty high. See if I can like change it. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out, whoops. Still trying to figure out how to get our, the actual clipping verification proper, so it doesn't give shitty clips again, but a little bit harder than I thought. Okay, so rec. Okay, that's, can we get the JSON? Yep, JSON is okay. So just, oh shit, that runs. User subs count. yeah, what do you want me to do user subs for? I think that's actually pretty easy. I think you can, I mean, you're like 99% sure that you're going to be able to do that with, what's it called? With the API, because there's a bunch of sites that do that already. But, let me see. Wait, what? Doesn't have it. Let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Okay, so what? Oh shit, so this is completely wrong. Fuck me. There we go. I have to restart this. Well, the point of this is to get all the chat. Like, I don't care if the person commenting is someone that's super popular or not, because it's live chat. I do have something that like automatically, look at this, Boomshot, secret stuff. Yeah, I have something that automatically finds, say, your comments. Sometimes it automatically hearts comments for me. That's not to say I don't read your comments. I do read comments and I heart them. Oh no, you're going to probably game them. Probably shouldn't like that. Oh, that's not good.